The U.S. Surgeon General issued a rare advisory late last week saying the status of youth mental health in our nation has been made worse by this pandemic.
That advisory also included these shocking numbers. More than 140,000 children have lost a parent or grandparent to COVID-19. ER visits for suicide attempts in 2020 up more than 50% for adolescent girls compared to 2019.
And the Surgeon General is calling this a significant public health challenge, and we are seeing significant issues right here in Colorado.
Denver 7's Megan Lopez explains why this crisis is hurting kids of color at a much higher rate.
Suicide rates in Colorado keep going up year over year. Last year, the state experienced nearly 1,300 of them. The Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment says it's increasingly concerned about these rates in Black and brown communities. So we spoke with one organization that's trying to help. It takes courage to talk about something as uncomfortable as mental health.
I began addressing my own struggles, in mental health about 5 years ago.
Courage Halim Ali found in himself and is now trying to help others muster. Ali is the founder of the From the Heart Foundation, a community organization that helps with everything from mental health to mentorships.
With our youth, a lot of times it's the consistent thread is typically anger.
Anger sometimes expressed in violence. Suicide rates in Colorado are on the rise.
Black and brown people of color, their rates have risen especially notably.
Vincent Atchity from Mental Health Colorado says vulnerable communities tend to feel societal stress more, but are less likely to seek help.
There is, less trust of the response system.
That's where From the Heart comes in. They're trying to work with these teens to help them find better ways to express themselves.
Because they don't have those healthy outlets for release. I see how mental health is at the root, is at the cause. Gun violence, suicide, and ideation, that is not the cause. These are the effects of a bigger cause.
The group recently hosted a day-long workshop targeted at violence and suicide prevention.
Wellness Recovery Action Plan.
They're holding virtual training events, even working on a movie.
As our story begins,
it takes courage to talk about mental health. This organization is hoping their work can help others find that courage to speak up so that more families don't have to suffer a loss from suicide.
This is a call for humanity. This isn't just social workers or psychiatrists or psychologists or doctors. This is a call to humanity to stand up for ourselves for the sake of our future.
Megan Lopez, Denver 7.